Batch costing is a subset of specific order costing. As the term suggests, costing is used to determine the cost of a batch instead of a single unit. In batch costing, one batch is treated as one single unit, unlike in job costing. Batch costing is also known as lot costing, as the term batch is synonymous with the term lot. Batch costing is suitable for companies where mass production leads to classifying products into batches or lots. Pair of shoes, home appliances, garments, etc. are examples of batch costing units. Cost per unit could be calculated by dividing total cost of a batch by number of units produced in a particular batch. In batch costing, the economic batch quantity EBQ is determined using a simple formula. EBQ is equal to the square root of 2AS in the numerator divided by IC or C in the denominator, where 2AS is divided by C. A is the annual demand in units, S is the setting up cost of one batch, IC for interest cost, or if it's just C, then carrying cost per unit of storage. Larger the size of the batch, lower the setting up of cost per unit, which is S. Larger the batch size, higher is the carrying cost C or interest cost IC. If you're interested in calculating the economic batch quantity, here is another video for you with its link in the description box below.